Hey viewers, you are watching this update and I am Shudha. India received a major relief on the energy front as two India-flagged LPG tankers safely reached the country after crossing the sensitive Strait of Hormuz. The development comes amid rising tensions in the Gulf region. Officials said the vessels were cleared by Iran for transit. They followed a route close to the Iranian coastline. This route was approved by Tehran for safe passage. A first tanker, Jagvasant, arrived at Vadinar in Gujarat on Friday evening. The terminal is part of the Dindal Port Authority, also known as Kandla Port. The ship dropped anchor at around 8 pm. Jagbasant is a 230-meter long vessel. It was carrying about 47,000 tons of LPG. Officials said the cargo has been transferred to another ship for onward supply. The 14-member crew on board is safe and in good health. The second tanker, Pine Gas, entered Indian territorial waters on Friday night. It is expected to reach Dharmaput in Odisha by April 2nd. The vessel was chartered by Indian Oil Corporation. Meanwhile, two more LPG carriers have begun their journey through the strait. These are BW Tyre and BWL. Officials said both ships started transit on Saturday under close monitoring. BW Tyre is expected to reach Mumbai by March 31st evening. It is carrying more than 46,000 tons of LPG. This includes propane and butane. The cargo is meant for Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. The ship has 27 crew members, all Indians. BWL is headed to New Mangalore. It is likely to arrive by April 1st. The vessel is carrying nearly 47,000 tons of LPG for Hindustan Petroleum Corporation. It has 28 crew members, all Indians. Officials said the strait remains is a high-risk zone due to ongoing tensions. However, shipments are moving in controlled manner. Authorities are closely tracking vessels' movement. At least three more Indian-flagged LPG ships are waiting near the Gulf. These include Jagvikram, Green Asha and Green Sanvi. They are anchored near Mina. They are waiting for instruction from the Indian Navy before the transit. India depends heavily on imports for LPG. Any disruption in the region can affect supply. This makes safe passage through the strait very important. The successful arrival of these tankers has eased concerns. It shows that supply lines are gradually stabilizing. The government has said there is no immediate shortage of LPG. More shipments are expected in the coming days. Officials said coordination with regional authorities is ongoing. The focus remains on ensuring steady fuel supply across the country. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.